This is La. Say hello, La.
Hello. Hi. It's nice to see you again. How are you?
What are you doing, La?
Oh, I'm just... Achoo!
Oh, what was that, La? Was that a sneeze?
Yes. I don't know why, but I just keep on... Achoo! Oh, I keep on sneezing. Achoo! 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 Oh, my! Oh, I have so many sneezes. I don't know why.
Oh, I see. Are you okay, La?
Yep, I'm okay. I'll be okay. Achoo! Achoo!
Help! Help me! That sounds like La. Where are you, La?
I'm up here.
Oh, where are you? Oh, is that you, La?
Oh, yes. Yes, that is me.
What are you doing up there, La?
I did a big sneeze, and now I'm stuck up here. Please, can someone help me?
Who can help you, La?
My friend Pippi. Pippi can help me. Get Pippi to help.
Hi, Pippi. How are you?
Pippi.
Oh, I see. We've got a bit of a problem, Pippi. La did a really big sneeze, and now he's stuck on the fan.
Pippi? Pippi.
Yes, I know. Do you have any idea on how we can get him down?
Pippi.
Oh, okay. If we turn the fan on, he might come down. Okay, let's try that, Pippi. Okay. Thank you for your help, Pippi.
Pippi.
Hey, La, I've talked to Pippi, and we've got an idea to get you down.
Oh, yes. Oh, that makes me so happy. What is the idea? Are you going to get a ladder for me?
Oh, no, it wasn't that. We're going to turn the fan on.
What? No, you can't do that. How is that going to help me?
Well, if we turn the fan on, then you can come down.
No, but I might fall and hurt myself.
It should be okay, La. Let's try it, okay?
Oh, achoo! Oh, okay. If we have to.
So Pippi walked over to turn on the fan to help his friend La.
Pippi. Oh, no. Ah! Hi, Pippi. Hi. Achoo! Oh, achoo! Pippi. Oh, yes, I'm okay now. Thank you for asking. Achoo! Oh.
Are you okay, La?
Yep, I'm okay. Thank you for helping me, Pippi. I was scared, but I tried to be really brave. And now I'm okay. Achoo! Except for my sneezes. Okay. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun.